So I got a call from Dan here at Zippers, and he told me that Tall from Traveling Tall, is going to come in for some work. We got Tall. So
what's going on, man? How you doing?
Man? Good meeting, man.
You too.
I'm a fan of your channel. You know what I'm saying? Fan of your work and everything, man. And my goal is to get down there and check you out one of these days, man.
Yeah. Come on down to Tennessee. Yeah. So it's my first time in Maryland too. So I've never been here before.
Oh, word. Okay.
Yeah.
So what do you got planned?
Well, they have some performance products that they're going to be installing on my motorcycle. I don't know everything, but we're going to find out shortly. I'm here to meet Dan. I talked to him. He said he has big plans for my bike. So when I find out, you'll find out as well.
Yeah, like you guys know that like Dan knows a whole lot about a whole lot with Harley performance and all. So he's probably going to learn a lot more stuff than he knew before he got here. So yeah, I'm going to stick around to see what he learns so I can like learn that stuff as well.
Shape and should be wrapped up in a few minutes.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So how's it feel?
Hey, I don't know what to say, man. I'm grateful. I'm grateful for everything. Listen,
That's what the instructions.
I don't know what to say. I can't really believe it. I've been wanting to do some performance upgrades since I bought my motorcycle and it was a 107. I've been wanting to do some performance upgrades on my bike, but this surpasses everything. I mean, it just my expectations. You know, I thought, okay, this just surpasses everything. And the 150 foot-pounds of torque, 130 horsepower. Then I might have to let you ride it. I'm serious, man. You don't even know. No, I should not have that recorded. No, you're not riding. No, you ain't. You ain't riding about. Hey, this thing is a blast.
3 cameras.
Oh my God. Man, I want to say goodbye to everyone and thank them for all that they've done. As Dan said, it took a whole team of people to make this bike, so I'd like to go through personally and shake hands with them and thank them. So we're going to meet everyone. I've met them already, but I'm going to let you meet them, so we're going to walk through the shop now.
Thanks for tuning to this episode of Build, Ride, Repeat. It was great meeting Tall from Traveling Tall and seeing his excitement for his Sleeper 124. If you'd like more information about his build, check out his channel Traveling Tall, and he's got a whole series about his builds. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and going over to Tall channel, check him out.